In primetime news this evening, sector in turmoil. Nurses on sick out while hospitals buckle under COVID pressure. We seek answers from the minister. COVID hospitalizations hit record high again. And later, Health Ministry on plans to expand vaccination sites into the community. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Gray. Also this evening, the Business Day, Primetime Sports, Sports Commentary, E-Prime, and the weather report and forecast. And of course, here is our feedback question. This evening, we're asking, what do you suggest health officials do to fix crowding and inefficiencies at vaccination sites? You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica or tweet at televisionjam. Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.